Hey everyone! Who doesn't love a good cup of coffee? But when it comes to ordering in English, it can feel a bit intimidating. How do you ask for exactly what you want without freezing up? In this amazing video, we'll break down everything from basic orders to advanced customizations, so you can walk into any cafe with total confidence. Let's head inside the daily grind and see how it's done. Hi there! Welcome to the Daily Grind. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure thing. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
You got it. Is that going to be for here or to go?
To go, thank you.
Perfect. That will be $4.50. You can step right over there to pick it up.
Great, thanks.
See? Lily did great. She used "can I have?" which is super polite and easy. She also made sure to specify the size and whether it was for here or to go. But what if you want to change things up? Like choosing a different type of milk or adding a flavor? Let's watch Ethan, who is a coffee expert, customize his drink. Next in line, please. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a large, iced, oat milk latte with 2 pumps of vanilla syrup, please.
An iced oat milk latte with vanilla. Got it. Do you want whipped cream on top of that?
No thanks, just the latte is fine.
Alright, sounds good. Can I get a name for the cup?
Sure, it's Ethan.
Thanks, Ethan. We'll call your name out at the bar when it's ready.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Notice how Ethan put everything in a specific order? He said the size first, large, then the temperature, iced, then the milk, oat milk, and finally the drink, latte. Before we move on, let's look at a few quick terms you'll hear a lot. Decaf, short for decaffeinated. It's coffee without the caffeine buzz. An extra shot, this means adding more espresso to make your coffee stronger. Pastries, cafes will almost always ask, would you like a pastry or muffin with that? If you don't want anything, a polite no, thank you works perfectly. Medium hot latte for Lily.
Oh, excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I actually ordered a cappuccino, not a latte.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. Let me remake that cappuccino for you right away. My bad.
No problem at all, thank you so much.
Awesome. Now that you know how to order like a local, let's push your skills even further. If you want to sound like a true coffee connoisseur, you need to know the insider language. Let's dive into our bonus coffee vocabulary masterclass to supercharge your English. First up, let's talk sizes. Most local shops use small, medium, and large. But if you walk into an international chain, you might see some unique terms. Tall, this actually means a small 12-ounce cup. Grande, pronounced grande, this is your medium 16-ounce option. Venti, pronounced venti, this represents a large 20-ounce cup. Room for cream/room for milk, when ordering a regular black coffee, the barista might ask, would you like any room? This means they will leave a small space at the top of the cup so you can pour in your own milk or cream without it overflowing. Next, how do you want your drink prepared? Temperature and texture change everything. Iced, this means your hot espresso is poured directly over whole ice cubes. It's refreshing and sharp. Blended or frappé, this is different. Here, the coffee, ice, and syrups are crushed together in a blender to create a smooth, slushy, ice cream-like consistency. Nitro cold brew, this is a trendy phrase you'll see on modern menus. It is cold coffee infused with nitrogen gas, giving it a rich, creamy texture without adding any dairy or sugar. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this animation and want to keep leveling up your everyday English skills, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming real-world English guides. Thank you so much for watching, keep practicing, and enjoy your next caffeine fix. Until next time, take care, and goodbye.